Welcome to today's video, where we dive into the exciting realm of computing with a spotlight on the best mini PCs of 2024. Whether you're a content creator, a casual user, or a tech enthusiast, these compact powerhouses are redefining convenience without compromising performance. Join us as we explore the top contenders, discussing their features, specifications, and what makes them stand out in the evolving landscape of mini PCs. Let's navigate the cutting-edge technology that's shaping the future of compact computing. Coming in at number 3, we have the Ace Magician AMD Ryzen Mini PC. This is a powerful and compact desktop computer that packs a punch despite its small size. It's powered by the Ryzen 7 5700U processor, which has 8 cores and 16 threads. This means it can handle demanding tasks like video editing, gaming, and 3D rendering with ease. The Mini PC also comes with Radeon RX Vega 8 graphics, which are good enough for casual gaming and everyday use. It has 16GB of DDR4 RAM, which is plenty for multitasking, and a 512GB NVMe SSD, which makes for fast boot times and application loading. One of the best things about this Mini PC is its size. It's very small, so it won't take up much space on your desk, and it is also very quiet, so you won't have to worry about it being a distraction. One downfall of this Mini PC, however, is that the base model only has 512GB of storage, which may not be enough for some users. Overall, the Ace Magician Mini PC is a great option for anyone who needs a powerful and compact desktop computer. It comes at a price of $370 on Amazon. Links to all Mini PCs will be in the description below. Next, at number 2, we have the Beelink SER6 Pro Mini PC. This is a compact desktop computer that packs a serious punch. Powered by the latest AMD Ryzen 7 processor and Radeon 680mm graphics, it's capable of handling demanding tasks like video editing, gaming, and 3D rendering with ease. But don't let its small size fool you. This tiny machine is a powerhouse in disguise. The Mini PC's immersive graphics also deliver stunning visuals for both work and play, so you will experience high frame rates and smooth gameplay in your favorite titles, or enjoy crystal clear visuals while editing photos and videos. When it comes to storage, the SR6 Pro comes equipped with 32GB of DDR5 RAM, ensuring seamless multitasking and responsiveness. You can also store your files and applications on the fast 500GB SSD, which offers quick boot times and rapid loading speeds. Despite its powerful internals, the SER6 Pro has a surprisingly small footprint. It takes up minimal desk space and makes a great addition to any setup. Overall, the Beelink is a compelling option for anyone looking for a powerful and versatile desktop computer in a compact form factor. The Mini PC comes at a price of $510 on Amazon. Taking our number 1 position is the Apple Mac M2 Mini. This desktop computer packs a surprising punch thanks to the new M2 chip. It's the ideal choice for those who crave Apple's ecosystem and sleek design in a space-saving package. The M2 chip is the heart of the new Mac Mini, offering a significant performance boost. Its 8-core CPU delivers smooth multitasking and lightning-fast responsiveness, while the 10-core GPU handles demanding creative tasks and even light gaming with ease. Compared to the previous M1 chip, the M2 offers up to 18% faster CPU performance and 35% faster GPU performance. The Mac Mini utilizes unified memory, which combines RAM and graphics memory into a single pool. This innovative approach optimizes memory allocation and allows the system to access data seamlessly, further enhancing performance. Choose from configurations with 8GB, 16GB, or 24GB of unified memory to suit your needs. When it comes to design, the Mac Mini's iconic square design remains unchanged, measuring just 3.6 inches on each side. Its small footprint makes it perfect for minimalist setups or tight workspaces. Lastly, it comes in 2 configurations, the M2 chip or the M2 Pro chip. The M2 is great for everyday tasks, creativity, and light gaming, while the M2 Pro offers even more power for demanding professional workflows and heavier workloads. Overall, it is a great choice, coming at a price of $700 on Amazon. As we wrap up our exploration of the best mini PCs in 2024, it's clear that these compact marvels are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of computing. From powerful performance to sleek designs, These mini PCs are a testament to the relentless innovation in technology. Until next time, we wish you happy computing.